Namaskar, I am Dr. K K Aggarwal, President Heartcare Foundation of India and Group Editor-in-Chief MedTalks. The question has been asked by Devashish, is there something like after death? Yes, we need to understand whether we are talking about Dvait philosophy or Advait philosophy, which religion we belong to. But I can come back to very generic answer to the question life after death. Now for those people who believe in the theory of karma, those people who believe in the theory of rebirth and the past birth, the answer will be like this. At the time of death, whatever your thoughts were throughout your life will be the thoughts at the time of your death. And whatever your thoughts are at the time of your death, you will take birth in a family which will have predominantly that type of thoughts. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita says, try to change your thoughts throughout your life, or so that your thoughts at the time of death are positive, or at the time of death create a spiritual atmosphere so that your thoughts become positive. And that's the reason people say at the time of death, if you chant Ram, it takes you from sympathetic to parasympathetic state of mind, and it helps you when you are coming back into the rebirth. That's one. Number two, which comes is in the theory of karma, it talks about prarabdha karma, sanchit karma and agami karma. So at the time of death, your sanchit karma, which are your debts to be paid, which are unpaid debts, get divided into two components, prarabdha karma and the rest is called sanchit karma. Prarabdha karmas are the purpose of your life for the next birth. That means it's an installment of the sanchit karmas which you have to pay in this particular birth. Therefore, these two theories definitely indicate that there is a rebirth. And those who believe in rebirth, they will have to read Chandogya Upanishad. And Chandogya Upanishad says, at the time of death, your vakvritti, which is your jnanendriyas, merges with manovritti, which is karmendriyas, mind, intellect and memory. Then it merges with pranavritti, and then it merges with tej, and tej merges with sat. Therefore, at the time of death, your pranavritti, combination of vakvritti, manovritti, pran and tej merges with the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, when they go up, they come back with rains into the ground and it is taken over by the plants. Therefore, they says that we classify An as has the same consciousness as that of a man. Therefore, we always says Brahma, we always consider Anna as Brahman with that. Now this, when a suitable according to your destiny, the parents eat that particular type of a fruit, that fruit enters your body. Now this is a belief which comes from Chandogya Upanishad. You develop the same sanchit karma and prarabdha karma you carry through the plants. There is no scientific evidence for that, but scientific evidence does not mean that it doesn't happen. We don't know. Till science proves that, we normally will call it as a Vedic story. So therefore, in terms of a Vedic story, life after death basically means is that your prarabdha karma and sanchit karma together in the form of a vakvritti, manovritti, pranavritti and tej merges with the sat and they come back to the plant. So therefore, plant consciousness, till they are taken over by the human being, they remain as plant consciousness. So Chandogya Upanishad says human consciousness after death resides in the plant consciousness till it is taken over by another family, another parents, then it becomes part of the human consciousness again. Those who believe in that there is no rebirth, then you have to fulfill, then your karmas have to, your narak and swarg is in the same life which you have occurring. That means terminal suffering will be your narak and terminal happiness will be your swarg. Therefore, this theory is only for those who believe in past and future karmas. Thank you.